If you want to make clean, accurate pixel art in Krita, one of the first things you should learn is how to set up a proper grid. A grid makes it much easier to place pixels exactly where you want them, especially when you're working on small canvas sizes like 32 by 32. In this video, I'll show you how to set the grid for pixel art in Krita step by step so you can start drawing with better control and cleaner results. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Krita and create a new file. For pixel art, a small canvas is usually the best choice, so go ahead and set your document size to 32 by 32 pixels. This tiny canvas is perfect for icons, sprites, and other simple pixel art pieces because it keeps everything compact and manageable. Once your new file is created, you'll be ready to turn on the grid. Now, look at the top menu and click View. In the View menu, find the option that says Show Grid and make sure it has a check mark next to it. This will turn the grid on so you can actually see it on your canvas. If you don't see the grid yet, don't worry, because the next step is where you adjust it properly for pixel art. Next, go up to Settings and open Dockers. From there, click Grids and Guides. This opens the panel where you can control how the grid behaves in your project. This is the important part, because the default grid settings are usually not ideal for pixel art. You want the grid to match the scale of your artwork, so each block is useful and easy to work with. Inside the Grids and Guides docker, find the X spacing and Y spacing settings. These control the distance between grid lines horizontally and vertically. For pixel art, you want to set both of these to match the size you need for your workflow. If you're working at a very small canvas like 32 by 32, keeping the spacing consistent helps you line up each pixel or pixel block more accurately. Set the X pacing and Y pacing to the values that suit your pixel art project, and make sure both directions are balanced so your grid stays uniform. Once you've adjusted the spacing, take a look at your canvas. You should now see a properly configured grid that makes pixel art much easier to create. This setup is especially helpful if you are sketching outlines, building shapes, or planning shading with precise placement. A good grid can save you time and help your art look much cleaner. And that's how you set the grid for pixel art in Krita. It only takes a few steps, but it makes a huge difference when you're working on small-scale artwork. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.